The question reads, cos x is negative and sin x is negative. Which of the following is true of x? Objective of the question. The question is testing the knowledge of trigonometry. And in this question, we are given that when cos x is negative and sin x is negative, so which of these is true of x? Now, let's illustrate this in the diagram by the symbol we call cast, the word we call cast. Cast is represented in this way. We first of all have what we call a quadrant. The quadrant. Now, in our quadrant here, this side is what we call the first quadrant. That is angle 0 degree is less than x and x is less than 90 degree. Here, A means all. That is, all is positive. When we mean all, we mean the sine x here, cos x here, and tan x here. They are all positive and none is negative. That's why to confirm it, any sine, tan, or cos of 0 less than x, then x less than 90 degree, you always find out they are positive, simply because of this relation here. Now, this one is the second quadrant, and this second quadrant, S, only S here is positive. That means others are negative. S here represents sine, so only sine x is positive. That means cos x is negative here, and tan x is also negative. And in this quadrant, you have that 90 degree is less than x, while x is less than 180 degree. Now, moving over here, this is the third quadrant. The third quadrant here, that means 180 degree is less than x, and x is less than 270. Here, only tan x is positive. That means sin x is negative and cos x is negative. Now, the final one, which is the fourth quadrant here, you have that 270 degree is less than x and x is less than 360 degree. Now here, only cos is positive. That means sin x and tan x, they are all negative here. Only cos. So from the question, you can see here that the third quadrant, that is where the cos is negative and sin x is also negative. So here is the third quadrant, and the third quadrant, 180 degree is less than x, while x is less than 270 degree.